Hi and welcome back to my channel. This is Sandeep. In this video, you will be testing your grammar knowledge with 20 multiple choice questions. After each question, pause the video, choose your answer and then resume to check the correct answer with an explanation. Alright guys, let's get started. Choose the correct sentence. She go to the park every day. She goes to the park every day. She going to the park every day. Please pause the video and comment down the right answer. Alright guys, now let's look at the right answer, and which is she goes to the park every day. Let's look at the explanation. The subject she is singular. In the present tense, we add s or es to the base verb for third person singular subject. Goes is the correct form, while go is for plural or first person subjects, and going requires an auxiliary verb like is or was. Select the correct sentence. The dog bark at strangers. The dog barks at strangers. The dog barking at strangers. And the correct answer is the dog barks at strangers. The singular subject dog requires a singular verb in the present tense. Barks is the correct form. Bark is for plural subjects or commands, and barking is the present participle requiring a helping verb like is. She dashed to the party yesterday, and the options are go, went, goes. Right, now the answer will be she went to the party yesterday. The word yesterday indicates the past tense. For past actions, we use the past form of the verb, which is went. Go is the base form for the present, and goes is used for singular subjects in the present tense. Which is the correct sentence? They was watching TV. They were watching TV. They are watching TV yesterday. Okay, let's look at the correct answer, which will be they were watching TV. The plural subject they takes were in the past continuous tense. Was is used with singular subjects and are is for present tense. So are watching TV yesterday is incorrect. He bought dash apple from the market, and the options are a, n and the. And the correct answer will be an. He bought an apple from the market. The word apple starts with a vowel sound. When the following word begins with a vowel sound, we use an. A is used for consonant sounds, and the refers to specific or previously mentioned nouns. Which article fits? She is dash best player in the team, and the options are a, n and the. Okay, the correct answer will be the. She is the best player in the team. Superlative adjectives like best always use the definite article the to indicate a specific or unique quality. Fill in the blank. She is sitting dash the chair, and the options are on, in, at. The correct answer is she is sitting on the chair. Use on to describe something placed or seated on a surface. In implies being inside, which doesn't apply here, and at refers to a location. Which preposition fits best? The book is dash the table, and the options are on, in, at. And the correct answer is on. The book is on the table. On is used when an object is placed on a surface, like a table. In implies being enclosed, and at is used for general locations or events. Choose the correct sentence. This book is her. This book is hers. This book is she. The correct answer is this book is hers. Hers is a possessive pronoun that correctly shows ownership in this sentence. Her functions as an object pronoun and she is a subject pronoun, neither of which indicate possession, making them incorrect in this context. Select the right pronoun. It was dash who finished the project. The correct answer is it was he who finished the project. After linking verbs like was, we use subject pronouns such as he. Him and his are incorrect because they are object and possessive pronouns respectively. Which is the correct sentence? She is more smarter than me. She is smarter than me. She is most smarter than me. The correct answer is she is smarter than me. Comparatives like smarter already imply comparison. So adding more or most creates redundancy. Choose the correct adjective. This is the dash movie I have ever seen. The options are good, better, best. Let's look at the correct answer, which is best. This is the best movie I have ever seen. Best is the superlative form of good used to describe something that surpasses all others. Better is the comparative form, which is incorrect here. Fill in the blank. I stayed at home dash it was raining. And the options are because, but, and. The correct answer is because. Because introduces the reason for staying at home, but shows contrast, and adds similar ideas. Which conjunction is correct? She wanted to go out dash it was too late. The options are because, but, and. The correct answer will be but. The conjunction but is used to show contrast between two ideas. In this case, her desire to go out and the fact that it was too late, which prevented her from doing so. It highlights the conflict between what she wanted and the reality of the situation. Other options like because or and don't fit, as they don't convey this contrast. Choose the correct sentence. If I was you, I would apologize. If I were you, I would apologize. If I am you, I would apologize. The correct answer is if I were you, I would apologize. Let's look at the explanation. Where is used for hypothetical or imaginary situations in conditional sentences, regardless of the subject. Which is correct? If she dash harder, she would succeed. The options are works, worked, has worked. The correct answer is works. This sentence is an example of the second conditional, which is used to describe hypothetical situations and their possible outcomes. In the second conditional, the structure is typically if plus past tense, would plus base verb. Here, worked is used in the past tense to indicate a hypothetical situation, meaning if she worked harder, which is not happening right now, the result would be her success. Identify the error. He don't like spicy food. The options are don't like food, and the answer is obvious, which is don't. The subject he is singular, so the correct auxiliary verb is doesn't, not don't. Which sentence is correct? Me and her went to the store. She and I went to the store. Her and I went to the store. And the correct answer will be she and I went to the store. In this sentence, she and I are subject pronouns, which are the correct forms to use as the subject of a sentence. Me and her are object pronouns and cannot function as the subject. Therefore, option B is the correct choice. Choose the correct sentence. The cake was eaten by her. The cake is eaten by her. She was eaten by the cake. The correct answer is the cake was eaten by her. Passive voice uses the correct form of be, was, and the past participle eaten. The project dash completed by the team, and the options are has been, have been, was been. The correct answer is has been. The project has been completed by the team. In the present perfect tense, has been is correct for singular or collective subjects like team. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay happy. Bye for now.